In today's video, we are going to learn how to graph an equation not with a table, but with just the x and the y-intercept. To do that, we are first going to find the x and the y-intercept for the equation 6x minus 3y equals 12. So you start by writing the equation. When you're looking for the x-intercept, that means it will be on the x-axis, and hopefully you remember by now that all of the y values will be 0, which means that we rewrite our equation and we plug in a y value of 0. So when we get our x, that will be on the x-axis. Then you simplify. So on the left side, we simplify everything we can simplify. So we can do 3 times 0 is 0. Copy everything else exactly the way we see it. And we know how to do 6x minus 0. Is 6x. Copy everything else you did not use. That's equal 12. Then you identify your variable. It's an x. You look at what's happening to the variable. It's multiplying by 6. So you do the inverse, divide by 6. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. On the left side, you have 6 divided by 6 is 1. That activates the identity property because 1 times x is x. And on the right side, you have 12 divided by 6 is 2. Since the x-intercept is 2, that means it is at the ordered pair, 2, 0. I'll go over to the graph. I will go to 2 to the right and up, down 0, and that is the point 2, 0. To do the y-intercept, you would also write the equation first. And on the y-intercept means it will be on the y-axis. And on the y-axis, all of the x values are 0. So we will plug in to this equation the x value of 0. Then we'll simplify everything we can simplify. 6 times 0 is 0. Copy everything else we did not use. 0 minus 3y is a negative 3y. If you need, you could do keep, change and do 0 plus negative 3y. It is still a negative 3y. Then you identify the variable. It's a y. It's right here. You look what is happening to the variable. It is multiplying by a negative 3. We will do the inverse of multiplying by negative 3, which is to divide by negative 3. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. On the left side, you have negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. 1 times y is y. That's the identity property. And on the right side, 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. The y-intercept is negative 4. It is at the ordered pair 0, negative 4. So I'll go to the origin. 0 means right, left, 0. Negative 4 means down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a dot. That is my y-intercept. Once you have those two dots, you get a ruler or a straight edge and you connect the dots. You write the equation on the line, and that is how you graph an equation using the x and the y-intercept.